I was so nervous. I kept thinking, what if I stumble over my words and get flustered? What if a donor asks me a question I don't know the answer to? What if I'm rejected? Each of these thoughts and thousands of others raced through my head in late 2000 when the president of the college asked me, Nancy, I want you to oversee the college foundation. With feelings of excitement and hesitancy, I said yes to the position. Now, fast forward to my last position as executive director of a brand new foundation I founded. My team and I proudly raised millions of dollars by focusing almost entirely on major gifts. And that's what you need right now, large gifts. After I figured out what works and what doesn't work, here's what I have done. I've broken down major gift fundraising into 3 critical areas of success because I have proven these critical areas can be a game changer in fundraising. Now, extremely timely in this environment, I'm going to walk you through these 3 areas in a free special training. It's called the New Fundraising Formula, the 3 Secrets to Success Despite the Current Environment. Here's what I will share. The 3 biggest fundraising mistakes not-for-profits are making in this current environment and exactly how to fix them. The magical messaging for fundraising. Here you will learn to communicate the value and relevancy your nonprofit brings to your community. You will definitely use this in talking with current and potential donors. Learn how to engage your board in the fundraising process in a way that is comfortable and easy. Then you can watch your board jump right in to help with fundraising. I will show you concrete examples of how this works, what it takes to be a major gift fundraiser, and why it's critical to invest in yourself now. A case study of what a $100,000 win looks like. Plus, a surprise gift reveal at the end of the training worth $2,500, and much, much more. Discover how to secure large gifts despite the environment and no fundraising events. I know exactly how you're feeling right now. Let me help you. Let's get you going. Here's what you need to do. Number 1, click the link and select a time that's best for you for the free training. Number 2, join me live. Number 3, discover the 3 secrets to overcome your fundraising shortfalls. Now, training is only offered for a limited time and limited spots are available. So get signed up right now today. Click the link and join me live. I can't wait to see you there.